Hello students, welcome to Akshar Education. Today we discuss Standard 9 Mathematics, chapter number 1. The topic is rationalization. Clear? So rationalization. So what is rationalization? So let us now consider one number. We are given one number. For example, that number is 1 upon root 2. Done? So 1 upon root 2 is the number. So given number is in numerator divided by denominator form. So here we can see that our denominator is root 2. What is denominator? Denominator is root 2. So which type of number? So we can say that this root 2 is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Done? So here one number is given whose denominator is 1 upon root 2. That means whose denominator is irrational numbers. So for such type of numbers, we need to convert this irrational denominator into rational number. This is known as rationalization. So what is a rationalization process? Rationalization means we are converting our irrational denominator or irrational denominator into rational number. Done? Converting our irrational denominator into rational number by multiplying its numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator by some suitable number. By some suitable number. That suitable number is also known as rationalization factor. Rationalization factor. Done? That means converting irrational denominator into rational numbers by multiplying numerator and denominator by some suitable number. That suitable number is known as rationalization factor. So this entire process is known as rationalization. Clear? The definition of rationalization. What is the definition? Converting irrational denominator of any number by multiplying its numerator and denominator both by some suitable number, which is known as rationalization factor. That entire process is known as rationalization. Clear? For example, our given number is 1 upon root 2. Done? So here denominator is irrational number. So what you have to do? You have to multiply its numerator and denominator by some suitable number. That suitable number, for example, is root 2 upon root 2. So what will happen? Our denominator will become rational number. So that is equal to 1 into root 2. So which is equal to root 2 and root 2 into root 2, which is 2. So here you can clearly see that this 2 is now rational number. Our given number is 1 upon root 2, in which our denominator is irrational number. Now after rationalization process, our denominator is converted into rational numbers. So this process is known as rationalization. Clear? And this number, that is root 2, by which we can multiply our numerator and denominator, is known as rationalization factor. So for this root 2, this can be known as rationalization factor. Clear? Now, for example, the same number, if we are having 1 upon root 2, now instead of multiplying this root 2, we can also multiply this denominator by some another number. Can we have some another rationalization factor apart from this root 2? Yes. Instead of root 2, we can also use 2 root 2. This is again one suitable number by which we can multiply it. So again, we are getting the another number which is 2 root 2 divided by this 2 into root 2, which is 2 into this 2. Again 2, but so this is again root 2 by 2. Clear? So instead of multiplying root 2, if we multiply numerator and denominator by 2 root 2, we get the same number. We can say we can get rational any irrational number. Done? For the rationalization process, we require some suitable rationalization factor, and for any irrational number, we can have infinite number of rationalization factor. So out of that infinite number of rationalization factor, you have to use one rationalization factor by which you have to multiply and divide the given number. So you get the rationalization at the denominator. So this is known as rationalization of denominator. Clear, students? Now we discuss some examples regarding this rationalization factor. One more example. Suppose we are given rationalize. Question is rationalize denominator. Rationalize the denominator of given number. Suppose given number is 1 upon 2 minus root 3. This is the question. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon 2 minus root 3. Done? So what is rationalization process? What is rationalization process? Or rationalization process is converting irrational numbers into rational number. So here one number is given, whose denominator is irrational number, 2 is rational number, and root 3 is irrational number. So rational number minus irrational number. Rational number minus irrational number will be a irrational number. So here denominator is irrational number. So what you have to do? Here you have to convert our denominator, which is irrational number, into rational number. Clear, Manan? So now it's a 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So for the rationalization process, we have to multiply this number by suitable rationalization factor. So here the suitable rationalization factor is, here 2 minus root 3 is there, so you have to consider plus sign. It's a 2 plus root 3. That can be a suitable rationalization factor for this number. How? So that will you know after the simplification. So here you have to multiply this numerator with numerator. So it's a 1 into 2 plus root 3. So we are getting 2 plus root 3 in numerator. Now in the denominator we are getting 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. Here now numerator as it is 2 plus root 3. For the simplification of this denominator, we are having one identity. So it's a minus b and a plus b. That we have studied in standard 8. A minus b into a plus b. Binomial into binomial, in which one term consists of minus sign and one term consists of positive sign in two terms. So it's a minus b into a plus b. So this expansion is first term square minus second term square. That means a square minus b square. So that same formula can be applied over here. Now check this. This one is 2 minus root 3. This one is 2 plus root 3. One term consists of minus sign, one term consists of plus sign. So here we can apply the same identity. First term square minus second term square. Right? Second term there is root 3. And this first term is 2. Right? So for the simplification, it's a 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 whole divided by, now this 2 square. This 2 square is 4 minus. Now root 3 square. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, which is 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. So it's a 2 plus root 3 divided by 1, which is nothing but the 2 plus root 3. Now check out your question. It is 1 upon 2 minus root 3. So here denominator is irrational number. We have applied rationalization procedure. That means we have rationalized our denominator. So after applying the rationalization of denominator, our irrational denominator will convert it into rational denominator. So check it over here. This is 2 plus root 3 by 1. 1 is the rational number. Clear? So this is known as rationalization of denominator. Now pause the video to note it down. Denominator. So for that, consider first example in which we are given 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. So here For number is given whose denominator is irrational number. We have to perform rationalization. That means you have to multiply this numerator and denominator with some suitable number to make this denominator rational number. So 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. For rationalization, you have to perform rationalization. So what is rationalization? Multiplying numerator and denominator with rationalization factor. So for this number, our rationalization factor is the opposite of this minus sign, which is plus sign. So you have to consider root 3 plus root 5 as a rationalization factor. So by that rationalization factor, you have to multiply numerator and denominator as well. Clear? Multiplying any number with 1 will get the same number. Now, here you have to perform multiplication of numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So that will be 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Now for denominator, it's a root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Done? Now for the simplification of this denominator, again we are using the same identity, which is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, which is first term square minus second term square. First term is a, second term is b. So first time we have to consider addition, second time we have to consider subtraction. So the expansion is a square minus b square. Same way here, two quantities, two terms are there, root 3 and root 5. One time the addition, one time the subtraction. So same formula will be applied over here. So it's a 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by first term square minus second term square. Then first term square is root 3, second term square is root 5. Clear? Now this one is 5 into root 3 plus root 5, numerator as it is, simplification in denominator, root 3 square, which is 3, minus root 5 square, which is 5. Now what is root 3 minus root 5 1? It is minus 2, very good. So it's a minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5. Or you can also write it like this. Root minus 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. So this is known as rationalization of denominator. Here denominator is 2, which is rational number. Clear? So in a given number, denominator is irrational number. While after the rationalization, we will get denominator which is 2, which is rational number. So converting this irrational number into rational number, so this is known as rationalization. Clear? One more example, which is given number is 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Now this 7 is rational number, but this 3 root 2 is irrational number. So irrational number plus rational number, so entire number is irrational number. In short, our denominator is irrational number. So whenever a number is given whose denominator is irrational number, we have to convert that irrational number into rational numbers by the process of rationalization. And for that we require rationalization factor. Very good. There are infinite rationalization factors are for any irrational numbers. So you have to consider only one. So it's a 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 multiply by. Now rationalization factor for this number is 7 minus 3 root 2. So it's a 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 root 2. You have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same rationalization factor. Clear? So now multiplication of numerator, so it's a 1 into entire number, so it's a 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by this one, it's a 7 plus 3 root 2, 7 minus 3 root 2. Clear? Again same formula, a plus b into a minus b, so it's a first term square minus second term square, so it's a 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by first term square minus second term square. So here first term is 7 and the second term is 3 root 2 whole square. So this is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 square. 7 square is 49 minus Manan. What is the square of this 3 root 2 whole square? Yes, very good. It's a 3 square 9 and root 2 square is 2. So 9 2s are 18. 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 things are 9. Root 2 into 2. It's 18. 3 root 2 whole square is 18. So this is your answer, students. So 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 49 minus 18. 9 minus 8 1. 4 minus 1 3. 31. Done? So now check the denominator. 31 is the rational number. In our given number, denominator is 7 plus 3 root 2. That denominator is irrational number. Which type of number? Irrational number. Irrational number is there. While after performing the rationalization, we are getting our denominator, which is rational number. Done? So this converting irrational denominator into rational denominator is known as rationalization. Clear? So pause the video to note it down. Okay students, next question is if a minus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a and b. So here we have to solve this equation. And the equation will consist of irrational numbers. One equation is given in two variables which consist of irrational numbers. We have to find the values of that unknowns. Right? The unknowns are a and b. So how can we solve this type of numbers? So here, first we start with the given equation. We are given that a minus b root 3 that is equal to 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Done? So now say this equation 1. Now next step, we will simplify our right hand side of this equation and then we will compare our right hand side of the equation with this given left hand side. So now consider this right hand side of the equation, which is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Done? Now we will do simplification in this given right hand side. Clear, Mana? So now it's a 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Now here denominator is irrational number. So whenever denominator is irrational number, first step you have to perform rationalization. What is the concept of rationalization? Whenever the number is given and that number denominator is irrational number, first step that you have to apply is rationalization process. Done? So here our denominator is irrational numbers. So your first step for the simplification is to rationalize this denominator. So for that you have to multiply and divide the given number with the rationalization factor. So denominator minus plus sign is there. So you have to consider minus sign. It's a 2 minus root 3 is the rationalization factor. So multiply and divide by the same number. Now this is equal to simplification. You have to multiply numerator with numerator and this denominator with denominator. So here it's a 2 minus root 3. Same bracket is there. So we can write 2 minus root 3 whole square divided by here 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So here you have to apply two identities. First identity, which is a minus b whole square, that we have studied in our 8th standard. A minus b whole square is first term square minus 2 into first into second term plus second term square. Done? And the next one is that we have already discussed a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. type it is? So here, first term square minus 2 into first into second term plus second term square. It's a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So it's a square minus 2ab plus b square. First term square minus sign is there. So minus 2 into first into second term plus second term square. So first term is 2. So it's a 2 into first term into second term and second term square. Whole divided by first term square minus second term square. So here first term is 2 and second term is root 3. This is our simplification. So this is equal to, so this is equal to 2 square, which is 4, minus 2 to the 4 root 3 plus root 3 square, which is 3, divided by 2 square, which is 4, minus root 3 square, which is 3. Now what is the simplification of this, student? So this is 4 plus 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. So it's a 7 minus 4 root 3 whole divided by 1. Done? This is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. This is equal to our left hand side, which is a minus b root 3, and that is equal to a minus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, and that is equal to this term 7 minus 4 root 3. Clear, friends? Check with your question. A minus b root 3, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, and that is equal to, यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, सिंप्लीफाई किया, रेशनलाइजेशन किया, so we are getting this 7 minus 4 root 3. So here we can say, so given a minus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3, and that is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. So we can compare a minus b root 3 with this 7 minus 4 root 3. Done? So compare. This is a minus. So here a minus, that is equal to 7 minus b root 3 equal to 4 root 3. So here coefficient of root 3 is 4. Here coefficient of root 3 is b. So by comparison we can write a equal to 7. A equal to 7 and this b equal to 4. These are the solutions, or we can say values of a and b. Done? Okay. Now next question is, if x equal to 2 plus root 3, value of x is given, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So now we'll start with given x equal to 2 plus root 3. Now for the next step, what you have to do? First, you have to find the value of 1 upon x. For these type of sums, it can be of given x, you have to find x square plus 1 by x square, or it can be as x square minus 1 by x square, or x is given and you have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube, or you have to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. So there are so many types of questions. So for this type of all the questions, whenever the x is given and you have to find the powers of this x, your first step should be to obtain 1 by x. So x is given, your first step is to obtain 1 by x. What is 1 by x? It's a 1 upon x, and the x is 2 plus root 3. So again, this is one number whose denominator is irrational numbers. So whenever the denominator is irrational numbers, what you have to do? You have to perform rationalization of denominator. So by multiplying proper rational number. So proper rationalization factor is, this is 2 minus root 3. So rationalization factor is 2 minus root 3. So multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. Clear? So multiplication of numerator is 2 minus root 3, and for denominator it's a 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So identity is first term square minus second term square. First term is 2, second term is root 3. So this is equal to 2 minus root 3 as it is divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. Done? So our 1 upon x equal to this one, 2 minus root 3 whole divided by 1. So it can be written as 2 minus root 3. What is given x? Given x is 2 plus root 3 and 1 upon x is 2 minus root 3. Now next step. Now next step, you have to find x plus 1 upon x. So given x is 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by x is 2 minus root 3. Clear? You have to perform addition of x plus 1 by x. Manan. So x equal to 2 plus root 3 and our 1 by x equal to 2 minus root 3. So the addition is, what is the addition? Root 3 minus root 3 cut. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So here we can say that our x plus 1 by x is 4. X plus 1 by x is 4. Clear? What is the question? Question is find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So here x square is required. So taking square on both sides. So taking square on both sides. Because we have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. And here we are having x square plus 1 x plus 1 by x. So 2 power is required. So getting 2 power, we have to square on both sides. Done? So what is the square of this? It's a x plus 1 by x whole square equal to whole square is 16. Now perform expansion of this. What is the expansion? X plus 1 by x whole square is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. It's a 1 by x square equal to 16. So here this x will be cut. So we are getting x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. Done? What is the simplification? It's a x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square equal to 16. Again, it's a x plus 1 by x whole square. So first term square is x square plus 2 into first term into second term. 2 into first term into second term. X cut. So it's a 2 only. Plus second term square. 1 by x square is 1 upon x square equal to 16. Now taking this 2 on the right hand side. Therefore we are getting x square plus 1 by x square equal to this 16 minus 2. Taking this 2 on the right hand side. That is 16 minus 2 which is equal to 14. This is our answer. X square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square. This is equal to 14. Clear? So this is the question in which you have to find the x square plus 1 by x square. Some of the questions in which you are given x and you have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Done? So for that, what you have to do? You have to start with the given x. So x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now, what is next step? Next step, whenever the x is given, you have to find the 1 upon x. So our 1 upon x will be 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Again, concept of rationalization. Whenever the denominator is irrational number, you have to perform rationalization. So what is the rationalization? By multiplying the proper rationalization factor. So it's a 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. Here our rationalization, proper rationalization factor is 3 minus 2 root 2. Now multiplication of numerator is, it's again 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. So it's the first term square minus second term square. first term is 3, second term is 2 root 2. So this is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 square. 3 square is 9 minus 2 root 2. 2 square 4 into 2 8. So this is our 1 by x. So value of 1 by x is 3 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by 1. So this is our 1 upon x. Same method 1 upon x. What is the next step? Obtain x plus 1 by x. So now next step is obtain x plus 1 by x. Now x, given x is 3 plus 2 root 2. So x is 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 1 upon x is 3 minus 2 root 2, again 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 cut. So here our x plus 1 upon x equal to 3 plus 3, 6. Same step जा रहा है देखो, यहाँ पर मिला था x plus 1 upon x equal to 4. Here x plus 1 by x equal to 6. In this sum, you have to find x square plus 1 by x square. So you have considered square. Here you have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. What do you have to consider? Cube. So for that, you will take cube on both sides. So taking cube on both sides. So taking cube on both sides, it's a x plus 1 upon x cube equal to 6 cube. कितना होगा? 36 into 6. 5 on 2, 216. So it's a 216. 6 cube is 216. Done? Now x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to 216. So what is the expansion of a plus b whole cube? फॉर्मूला भी आना चाहिए ना. सो फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So it's x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to 216. क्या होगा? x क्यूब है ना, पूरा लिखते हैं x प्लस 1 बाई एक्स होल क्यूब इक्वल टू x क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3 इंटू ab. So ab is x into 1 upon x into x plus 1 upon x. Clear? So x plus 1 by x whole cube equal to 216. So what is our x plus 1 by x? X plus 1 by x is 6. So it's a 6 cube. 6 cube equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus this will be cut 3 into again x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is 6. So this will be 6. Now taking this term as it is, taking this 3 6 18 on the left hand side. 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. So it's a 216 minus 6 is a 18 equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So the answer is x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 216 minus 18. Manan, what is the answer? Yes, very good. 198. So it's a 198. Clear, students? These are some basic sums regarding rationalization. Pause the video to note it down. 3 minus root 8 minus 1 upon root 8 minus root 7 plus 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2 equal to 5. This you have to do. This is your right hand side and this is your left hand side. So you have to start with the left hand side. You have to simplify it. You have to obtain your right hand side. Clear? So first we start with your left hand side. So given left hand side is 1 upon 3 minus root minus root 5 plus 1 upon root 5 minus 2. Now this is our given left hand side. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms are there. So how many terms are there? 5 terms. Check this each terms. Here the denominator, check the denominator. All the denominators are irrational numbers. So whenever the denominators are irrational numbers, first step you have to perform rationalization. Rationalization of denominator, you have to convert these irrational denominators into rational denominators. So this is irrational denominators. For each term you have to perform rationalization. Now consider this first term. It's a 1 upon 3 minus root 8. So for rationalization factor of this 3 minus root 8 is 3 plus root 8 divided by 3 plus root 8. So this is for the first term, this one. Now minus sign is set. Now second term is 1 upon root 8 minus root 7. So for this term, rationalization factor is root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 plus root 7 plus third term, which is 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. For that, rationalization factor is root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 minus fourth term is 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. So rationalization factor is root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5. And the last term is 1 upon root 5 minus 2. So rationalization factor is root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus 2. This is your first step. Now check it again. What we have done? We have just performed the rationalization factor by suitable rationalization factor. So rationalization process is 3 minus root 8. So rationalization factor is 3 plus root 8. Multiply and divide. Root 8 minus root 7. Rationalization factor is root 8 plus root 7. So multiply it with numerator and denominator. Same way, root 7 minus root 6. So rationalization factor is root 7 plus root 6. जो भी साइन है उसके ऑपोजिट साइन लेके आपको मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है. So this is multiplication with the rationalization factor. Now simplification of this each 5 brackets. So first one is 1 into numerator 3 plus root 8. So which is 3 plus root 8 divided by again 3 minus root 8, 3 plus root 8. So it's a square minus b square term. So first term square minus second term square. First term is 3 and second term is root 8 square. This is the simplification of first bracket. Minus. Now here again 1 into root 8 plus root 7. So we are getting root 8 plus root 7 divided by first term square minus second term square. First term square is root 8, second term is root 7 plus this one similar root 7 plus root 6 divided by first term square minus second term square. First term is root 7, second term is root 6 minus it's a root 6 plus root 5 divided by first term square minus second term square. First term is root 6, second term is root 5 plus this is root 5 plus 2 divided by first term square minus second term square. So it's a root 5 by 2. Done? जो भी हमने इंट्रोडक्शन में जो एक सम किया था अभी वो पांचों सम एक साथ में आ गए तो पांचों का सिंप्लीफिकेशन एक साथ में जाएगा और कुछ नया नहीं है. So here first check the simplification of denominator. So it's a 3 square 9 minus root 8 square 8. So 9 minus 8 is the 1. So here simplification of first bracket is 3 plus root 8 divided by 1. 1.8 minus here root 8 plus root 7 divided by root 8 square minus root 7 square. 8 minus 7 1 divided by 1 जो हम नहीं लिख रहे हैं. So plus similarly root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1 minus root 6 plus root 5 all divided by 1 plus root 5 plus 2 all divided by 1. Manan, what are you doing? So this is equal to, now open this bracket. It's a 3 plus root 8 minus root 8 plus root 7. So here we are opening the bracket, it will be minus. So it's a plus root 7 plus root 6. Opening this bracket, minus 7 will be there. So minus root 6 minus root 5 plus sign as it is. Now check this. जहाँ पर माइनस साइन थी ब्रैकेट ओपन करेगा वहाँ पर साइन चेंज होगी. माइनस साइन में ब्रैकेट ओपन किया साइन विल बी चेंज. पॉजिटिव साइन विल बी एज इट इज. नाउ चेक दिस. दिस इज प्लस रूट 8 माइनस रूट 8 plus root 7 minus root 7 plus root 6 minus root 6 plus root 5 minus root 5. So which are the remaining terms? 3 and 2. First term and last term. दो ही टर्म बचे बाकी सब कट हो गए. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. What is 5? Your right hand side. So this is our right hand side. Clear? This you have to go. So to start with the left hand side. Simplified, you get your right hand side. The concept is rationalization of denominator. The only concept is rationalization of denominator. The number whose denominator is irrational number. So you have to convert that irrational number into rational number. That means rationalization process. Clear friends? So pause the video to note it down.